In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tabs in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet has multiple sheets and the order feels messy, rearranging the tabs can make your workflow faster and your data much easier to navigate. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a clear and simple way. Start by going to Google in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the spreadsheet you want to organize. Being in the right account ensures you see the correct files and have the right permissions to make changes. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher, 12 little dots in a square. Clicking it opens a panel with Google's services so you can quickly jump into the one you need without typing extra URLs. From that panel, click on Sheets. This opens Google Sheets where you can access your spreadsheets. If you have lots of files, you can use the search bar at the top to find the one you need by name. Recent files often appear first, so you may spot it right away. Open your document. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's a larger file. Once it's open, look at the bottom of the window. You'll see your sheet tabs lined up horizontally. Each tab represents a different sheet within the same file, like pages in a binder. If there are many, you might need to scroll the tab bar left or right to see them all. Next, right-click on the tab you want to move. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works as a right-click. On some devices, you can also hold a modifier key while clicking. A small menu will appear with actions specific to that sheet. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct tab by checking its name. From the menu, choose Move Right or Move Left. This will nudge the selected tab one position in the direction you choose. If you need the tab to travel farther, repeat the same option until it lands exactly where you want it. You'll see the tab slide along the row each time, and the new order updates instantly for anyone who has access to the document. Reordering tabs doesn't change your data or formulas. It only changes how the sheets are arranged, which is great for keeping related sheets together or placing a summary at the front. Google Sheets saves automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do once the tabs are in place. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've organized your spreadsheet and made it easier to use.